Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to switch between equalizer modes in the HONOR AI Space app. You have to start by open HONOR AI Space app, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then tap on your earbuds at the device list, and right here we have equalizer sound mode, so you need to tap on it, and right here there's 4 presets what HONOR offer for us. So to switch between them you need to just tap at the best one for you. Let's say I wanna warm. I just click on it and I change it the same as a classical, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!